Hello guys, this video you are watching will take you to full training on TradingView. It will give you full training on TradingView. If you find this video helpful after watching it, please share, drop your comment at the comment section. Stay tuned as you see how it goes.
Here we're going to introduction, how to download the app, build your own coin list, setting and subscription, understanding candlesticks, charts, navigation and tools, using indicator and demo trading. And these are the basic things you need to know about TradingView. And I can assure you that you will so much enjoy this lesson. So let's go right inside. So before you do that, I believe that this is probably going to be for even beginners can relate with all these things. So come to your app store or your Play Store, anyone you're using. So type TradingView on your search. Okay, so search for it. Yeah, so this is it. Can you see the symbol? So don't miss it, please, guys. Yeah, that's it. Okay, then because I already have the app on my phone, then you will see this open. But if you don't have this app on your phone, you will see download. Okay, so just download it right away. Make sure you have space on your phone for this app to work. Okay, for this app to download on your phone, make sure you have enough space. So when you click, you can see everything. So here I probably don't need to uninstall. I just need to open. That's it. So this is TradingView. Currently I'm not logged in into any account. I'm probably going to log in so that you guys can see how it really works. But when you download your app, what are you supposed to do? First of all, you're supposed to come to your menu at the lower tab menu, then sign in. Okay, you can sign in with your Google account. It's very easy, very straightforward. Just click on sign in, then you will be able to create an account. Now what I want to explain to you now is that I'm not going to sign in now, okay? But if you are new to TradingView, if you sign in, you're going to see this interface. So I want to teach you how to set your own interface because it's very, very important. And that is where we have building your coin. So we are here now. So I've talked about the introduction, then we have already downloaded the app. Then the next one is build your own coin list, and that's where we are now. Okay, so how do you build your coin list? Now, currently what we have here, these are not the instrument you want to trade, okay? And don't forget I said, make sure that you have logged in before you do this so that the settings will be on your account. The reason why I'm doing this now without signing in is because my account already have everything set, everything is ready, okay? But for the sake of the new members, I want you guys to see that you can actually to show you how to set your own coin list. Okay, so just slide to the left, delete. Okay, now you see that now that it's telling me to sign in. Okay, so that it can save that settings. But I'm not going to sign in now, but I'm going to show you. So here, just slide, delete, slide, delete, slide, delete, slide, delete. Okay, just do that to everything. Slide, just keep sliding and deleting. Can you see it? Slide to the left, delete, delete, delete. Okay, then also delete all this, delete everything. Okay, delete this as well because this is USD. We need USDT. Okay, yep. So this is what we need. We need this one. So you're also going to remove Ethereum as well. Remove it. So the only thing you will have will now be this BTC USDT. This is the only one that will be on your list because you can see that already the category here is called crypto. You see, that's the category that we have there. So that's the only one that will remain in. Even this index too, delete it. This one stock, delete it. Futures, delete it. Forex, delete it. So you only have the category you will have is crypto. Then you will now only have BTC USDT. Okay, so just leave that the way it is. Yeah. Now after that, so let me log in and you will see how I will add more coins to my lists. Okay, I'm going to log into my account. So before I do that, yeah, so even from here, you can easily remove all these things. Can you see? This is another way of removing them. Just click on cancel, 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 cancel. If I click on this now, it will tell me to log in. So, and that's not what I want to do. So I believe that by now, you already understand how to build your own list. So let's go back. Now here, look at this place. You see watch lists. You also see add lists. So now you can build different categories. Like you can have forex category, you can have crypto category, you can have, you know, maybe indices category. So you don't add everything on one box. You can put everything in different categories. So just click on this, add to list. So but I still need to log in. But when I log in my account, I will probably show you how to create it. Okay. Yeah, so now I'm in my account, as you can see. So on my own red list, can you see this? I'll show you how to do that. So on my own red list, I have BTC, Ethereum, USDT, Dominance, Dollar Index, XRP, ADA, and Rose. Okay, these are this is what I have on my list. So let me show you how you're going to build yours as well. So here you can see we have Bitcoin lists. Can you see that? No, that's what I told you the other time. We have Forex, we have futures, we have general lists. Okay, we have not with BTC. Then we have stock lists. You see that? Then we also have add lists. You see? So that's what I was telling you here, that you can add another list. But because I already add a lot of lists, I probably don't need to create more. Okay, so on your own end you can create, just click on add list. Okay, then you cannot give it a name. Okay, you can give it a name. Then one of my own name is, you can say I have Bitcoin list. You can see it. I also have Forex list, but this Bitcoin list, how do I now look? There's another list here. That list is by default. This list, okay, the red tag is by default. So after you've built your list, you know, here now you can say I have a long list, very long, but I probably don't want to work with everything at once, right? So I will just hold down this, and you can see this list here. You can see the red list, you can see the blue. But before you can use other tags, you have to be subscribed. You have to subscribe to TradingView. The only one you can use for now is the red tag. Okay, so you can see that after I hold down on this BNB, you can do other things. You can delete, you can open the charts, you can see symbol information, and add symbol below, and also add symbol above. That if you want to add another instrument on that list, that's what these two are meant for. Yep, so that's how it works. So if I click on this red tag, it will come here. It will join this list. Join this list. Can you see that? It will join that list. Then let me click on it. Okay. So can you see it? We now have BNB here. You see that? We now have BNB. So that's how it works. So click on BNB and you can do your analysis. Very, very, very simple. Okay. So before we go into yeah, I believe that by now you can now build your lists. Now, if you have a long list. Okay, I'm going to teach you another one, how you can build your list. Very simple. Now I have Bitcoin lists. Okay, I have futures. I trade futures on Binance and Bybit. Bybit is our official exchange. Okay, now how do you build this list? Yeah, so very simple. Then I will come to my Bybit. Since I'm using Bybit to trade most of my coins, then I'll come to markets on the lower tab. I'll click on markets. I will come to derivatives here. You see that? I don't on the upper tab there. Go to derivatives and you see all these lists. So these are all the lists you will had. All these lists, you add them one after the other. Can you see it? It's a long list, but take your time to add everything. It's very, very simple. Okay? Can you see it? It's a long list, but take your time to add everything. That's just the way it works. Okay, so let's say one had Gala. So here, so I will click on search, this search box at the top here. You see that? Click on that search box. So that's how you had. You now say GALAUSDT. Okay, then you now have to put P in front. That's perpetual trading contract. P. That's all. So that it will bring the trade from Bybit directly. So this is it. Look at it here. So we have when you type Gala USDT P, it's going to bring out different exchanges that list Gala. This is it. So this is Bybit, and this is Gala here. Okay, this is Gala here. Yes. So this is what you need. If you're using Binance, you can also use Binance. This is Binance here. Binance is first on the list. Then this is Gala for Binance. So depending on the exchange you are using, but since I am using Bybit, I'm going to click on this. Then I'll click on Bybit. Okay. Now after I'd already add this on my lists, that's on my futures. You can see it, futures, all the coins I'm trading on futures. If I had it, then what I need to do is that I want to trade this coin, then I'll tag it on red. I'll tag it red. See, I'll just hold down on it, then click on red tag. So now you can see that it already has a red tag. You can see that XIOP also has a red tag. BTC also has a red tag, right? Then I'll come to my red tag here. But I can only add red. I can add other colors because this particular account does not have subscription. Okay, that's the reason. If you subscribe, you'll be allowed to use other functions. So here you can see this is how I can build my own list. It's not necessarily you have to trade all the coins. You understand? You just have to bring out what you really want to trade. Okay. Now after you have already added all these lists, you see all these long lists. It's going to look like this on your trading view. Let me come to futures. Can you see it? I have a long list. Can you see the long list? You see, long list. Now there's a bit of a thing that will really help you here. Here, if you come to this arrow, okay, shuffle, click on it. You can sort by change. This guy here, you see, sort by change. That is what you need. So it will help you filter top gainers, top losers. You see. So for today, let's know the top gainers. Click on it. Can you see it? Top gainers for today is Solana, Zale, IMX, other. You can see it has already arranged them as they make gains for that particular day. So you can click on it again, do the same thing again. It will show you top losers. So top loser for today is Lido, CVC, BTC 1000 XEC. It's going to arrange it to you according to the way they are on loss. Okay, just the way. You can also do that on with the exchange, but I think using your trading view is much more easier and very straightforward. Okay, and you can see that's how you filter your top gainers and top losers. Yes, so I believe this should help you able to build your coin list and be able to filter which coins you want to trade. Is it trending coin, or is it a coin that is down, down, down all the way? So if you know how to do your analysis, then you can just go right in. So this is how to select which coin to trade. We also have a video called coin selection metrics. That will also help you. I believe that with that you're fully ready. So the next one on the list will be settings and subscription. Okay, can you see it? So that's next on the list. So let's go right in. Yeah, now when it comes to settings, there's nothing much like that. Very easy and straightforward, very simple app, you understand? So just come to chat. So chat will show you the last coin you open. The last coin you open, it will show the chart for you. Then the next one will be idea. You can also get trading idea from other traders all over the world. You can see it, different trading ideas. So that's for stock. Then you can also click here to get for crypto. So you can put your country. After you input your country, you can get different ideas from different places all over the world. Okay, so this is for crypto. Just click on it, then you can get different ideas on crypto. This Shiba Inu, this is BTC. You can see different different analysis from different users. You can see their own perspective, their charts. So when you learn the chart, we're going to get there. When you learn the chart, it will probably help you to ensure that you can also understand all these things they are doing. You can understand it very well. But for now, maybe it might look a bit difficult, but don't worry. By the time we are done, you are going to be able to do all these things. So these are other people's idea. Then we come to news. Okay, so on the news, it will probably show us news around the world on different category of money, on different instruments. But definitely, now what we do is crypto. So we have for stock, we have for crypto, forex, indices, futures, bond, world economy. So just go to the category that we're working on, which is crypto. So on crypto, you probably see different news on crypto, and makes it easier for you to read all the way. Okay, yeah. So here, let's come to menu. Now here, this is my own account. Then we have settings. Nothing much though. So you want to keep this app on the screen. You want it to be above other apps. Then you click on keep screen on. So you click on that. Then watch list. If you want your watch list, you want to show the logo, you want show the symbol on the screen, or you want it to vibrate. Mine actually vibrate, so that's why it's on. Yeah, that's what you do on a watch list. Then your chat. What do you want on your chart? You want to hide the tab, the bar, or you want the picker to vibrate, or you want to show the picker scroll magnificent. So all these things you can just on it or off it and see how it operates on your chart. Okay, very simple and straightforward. Push notification, language, contact information. So I think those are just the basic things you need to know when it comes to settings. Okay, and if you want to subscribe, just come to subscription. Then we have dark theme and white theme. Because I always operate my phone at night, so I always prefer to be on the dark theme. If you don't want the dark theme, just off here, then it will switch to the white screen. Okay, so that's how it works. So on the subscription, you can just click on it, so you can subscribe this this is in naira, so 7,000 monthly, or 13,900 monthly, or 27,500 monthly for premium. So these are all the settings you will get. 5 indicator per chart, 2 windows. Okay, you can divide your chart into 2, but for this free subscription you can only use one screen. Okay, then 20 server side alerts, ad free, so they won't put any ad on your screen. Volume profile indicator, customized time interval, multiple enhanced watch list, bar replay, intraday bar, multiple monitor, multi-monitor support in desktop app. So these are the functions you will get when you pay this particular amount of money, and I think that is also very, very cool. Okay, yeah. So the next thing we want to go will be, so we've done settings and subscription, then understanding candlesticks. Yes, this is also very, 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 very vital. So this is it, this guy here, understanding candlesticks. Okay, now before we dive into chart navigation and tools, this area is very, very vital. Okay, in short, I'm going to have a separate video that will probably explain, have like elaborate explanation, but I will still do something here. So let me quickly show you how candles, what's a candle, you understand? So it's very important for you guys to know what a candle is, and then you'll see how it is, and it's very, very easy. So here, let's come all the way to here. Let's create a note. Let's create a new note. Let me quickly tell you what a candle is. Now, candles are very, very easy. And candles, the idea for candlesticks is just the normal candle that we know, the one we always burn, we always on in our houses. It's the same idea. So here, I'm going to draw a candle. How a candle looks. So it's like this. Okay, pardon my drawing. Then here, yeah. So this is how a candle looks. So what's the label? Here is the body. Okay, it's the body. This is the high. This is the low. Oh, I will explain all that. This is the wick, and this is open, and this is close. Now, this is very, very let me share more light on this. If you have open at the top and you have close at the bottom, it simply means is a red candle. Red. You see that? Yes. So then when we now have this, when you now have open at the bottom and you have close at the top, is a green candle. You can repeat this over and over for you to understand it. It's very, very simple. So let's go right. Let me now explain how all these things, was high, was weak, was low, was all those things. So let me use Binance app to explain this. Yeah, so here it's very easy. Let's come to market. So it's coming up. I hope it loads fast. Yes, so this is Binance. So on the Binance chart, it explains the candle very well. That's why I actually come to this place to let me explain this for you guys very well. So now if you let me hold down a particular candle, let me hold it down. Can you see it? So this candle I'm holding here, this candle, if you check the preview on the left hand side, you will see the time, you will see the open. That's the price at which the coin actually opened. The coin opened at 17,101.5. The highest price, that's the high, the highest price the candle actually got to is 17,155.7. The lowest price is 17,104.6. The closing time, or the time when the candle actually closed, based on this time frame, we are on 15 minutes time frame, is 17,151.8.48, as you can see. So it's telling us that within this 15 minutes, the change is 0.23. And that 0.23, it added 39.6 in terms of number, in terms of price. Okay, so that's just the way it works. That's how the candle is being calculated. So that's how everything is. Let me check another candle. Let's see another candle. Yeah, basically that's just what candles and you probably don't need to disturb. So I'm going to show you different types of candles. The candle forms based on price of the market. So here we have buy order. This is the order book. So this is the base in which candles are being formed based on demand and supply. Okay, so here we have buy orders. So buy orders are being filled and sell orders are also being filled. Yeah, and that's how candles form every minute, every hour, every day, every week, month, and the likes. So that's exactly how it works. Okay, so see all these orders. These are the orders that made those candles to form. You see, this is buy order. This is sell order. Can you see it? So it's not magic. Candles don't just form because they are forming. No, they are forming based on all these prices. You see, all those prices are being filled. All the sell are being filled. So at the particular time frame, if buyers are more than sellers, it will show green. If sellers are more than buyers, it will show red. It's as simple as that within that time frame. Okay, so if more people bought the BTC within 15 minutes, you'll see the green bar. If more people sold, you'll see the red bar. That's all. Okay, then that's how you get the candle details. Okay, candle details. Can you see it? These are the candle details. You can check candle details of any candle here. So here is very descriptive. That's why I have to come here. But here on TradingView, you probably get less description, right? But you will get a lot of detail. You can do your analysis, and it has a lot of advanced features, yeah, compared to the one for the exchange. Here is very, very elaborate and very, very detailed. Okay, so that detail actually explain the candles very well. That's why I use that detail. Okay, so it's nothing to worry about. So that's just the way it is when it comes to understanding candles. So basically that is how candles are formed, and you can see that it's very, very detailed, right? So you now know how green candles are formed and how red candles are formed. Okay, so here when we come here, you can see understanding candles. I believe that this explanation actually explain understanding candlesticks, right? So the next thing will be chart navigation and tools. So let's go right inside. Yes, so here we already understand how to build our coin list. Now we want to dive into the chart. Let's understand what is there. Okay, now since you already have your coin list, you can click on this. So yeah, now after clicking on this, you can see all these details. You can see that now. I believe you now understand the candles. So never mind my candles is showing purple and white. Yes, you can actually change it, but I'll show you. I'll teach you how to change it. That's not an issue. So this is the interface, and let's quickly learn what is here. So we have here, that's our coin pair. We have the time frame. Then we have, you can add, I'm going to show you what is inside here. I'm also going to show you what's inside these drawings and here as well. Those are different settings you can make use of. Okay, so we've done what lists, charts, idea, news, and menu. We've done that already. Okay, so let's dive into this. Now look at this. We have BTC, Ethereum, USDT, all these lists. This list that I have here, when you click on a chart like this, then here you can on this page you can actually shift. Can you see it? You can move it there on the just to move to the next coins. Okay, so here we have BTC, Ethereum, right? So if I click on BTC now, then the next one is Ethereum. Look at it, that's Ethereum there. So I don't need to go back to that watch list to go and click on Ethereum. I can just flip it from here. So the next one will be USDT. You see, the next one will be dollar index. That will be the next dollar index. Can you see? The next one will be XRP. So that's how it goes on and on and on like that. Okay, so based on all the coins you have on that particular list, it will show everything. So the next one is the time frame. Yes, the time frame. We also have a separate video that explain time frame, because time frame determines your kind of trader. Either you are a scalper, day trader, swing trader, or position trader. Okay, but here you can switch between 1 minute. So this is 1 minute. This simply means that candles are formed every 1 minute. Okay, candles are formed every 1 minute. Here shows candles are formed every 3 minutes. They can go on and on like that. So when you're now when you are learning your technical analysis, then you want to know the time frame. You want to watch your candles. Can you see it? You want to know the time frames. Now you already know how these candles are being formed. You see? So everything is getting more clearer, right? Yeah. So type in the comment section that yes, you are really enjoying these lessons and you are really understanding. And anything you don't understand, make sure that you just put it in the comment section. Let me know that yes, and maybe I need to create another video on some areas. Okay, but I believe that this class is actually going as planned. So here you can also have 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and the likes. You also have 1 hour, 2 hours. So this simply means every candle represents 1 hour. So within 1 hour, this is what happened. You can see it. Within 1 hour, all these candles are formed, and you can see the shape and all that. So when we get to candle formation, you will now understand the double tops, the symmetrical triangle, different candle shapes. You see it. Okay, so here the next one is, let's click on this plus sign. So here we have drawings, indicators, compare, alerts, templates. So these are the things you can do based on that particular settings. So but we're not at the indicator yet. When we get to indicator, you will understand how to use indicator. Then we have drawings. You can use different tools here. You can see different drawing tools here, right? But let's use these drawing tools on the next one. So this is drawing. Can you see it? Can you see drawings? Yep. So you can also get it here, but the main place to get it is here. Now on drawings, we have measurements, we have zoom, we have eraser, lock, magnets, drawings, hide. You can hide your candles, then remove. So you can remove the drawings. So these are the drawings here. You see all these lines. Anything I put on my screens are drawings. Okay, any tools I put on my screens are drawings. Now when you click on remove, you can also remove indicators. Now for free account, you're only allowed to use 3 indicators at once. Okay, so maybe you want to add the 4th one and it's not showing up. You can just remove all indicators, then try it again. It will work. Okay, I think a lot of people actually always fall into that issue. So here you can remove all, both indicator and drawings, but you can do it one after the other. Anyone that works for you. Okay. Yeah. So the next thing is different tools. We have trend lines. We have Fibonacci. We have gain and Fibonacci. We have geometry shapes. We have annotations. We have patterns. We have prediction and measurement. Okay, yeah. So these are the things that we have, and based on your kind of trader or your trainer will determine the kind of tools you will use. Yes, all these tools are there and they have all valuable based on who you are. But I'm going to teach you my own favorite tools. You can see them already. They're already here. My favorite tools is the trend line, horizontal line, panel channel, rectangle, position, long position, short position, then price range. Simple. I always try to make it simple. Okay, and these are the tools I use regularly. Okay, so here, look at this. Look at this. Now, if I click here, you can see all the tools, all my tools. These are all my tools. Can you see it? Can you see them? These are all my tools. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So this box is called quick tool. Okay. Quick tool. So instead of me going there all the time, it's already placed on my screen. Like I will just click on them and make use of it. You see? That's all. Okay. Yeah. So that's my quick tool. So So in as much as I'm going to add them to my favorites, can you see it? Favorite. If it's on favorite, it will join this list. Yes, and I can also remove it from favorite by holding on to this place. You see, remove from favorites. Can you see it? Remove from favorites. That's it. Okay, so that's how you remove. And how do you put on favorites? So let's assume I want to use this Ray, this guy here. I want to use it. I'll just click. I'll hold down on it. Then I'll now add to favorite. Add to favorite. So it has been added now. Can you see Ray? If I come here, Ray has been added. Look at it here. Ray has been added to my list. Okay. So how do I remove it? I can also remove it by doing this. I'll come here and hold down here. Remove from favorites. That's all. Very simple. Okay. So now all these tools, how are they used? What are they used for? Now, if you want to draw a line, now let's use this quick tool. Now let's use this quick tool. We want to put an horizontal line, just like as you can see all these white lines on my screen. Can you see it? I can add another one here. Can you see? So the color for this particular horizontal line is red. I can change the color. It has properties. Every tool has its own properties. So I can change it to white. I can change it to yellow. Okay, yellow. You see the way it's changing. Then I can make it thicker. So pixel 2, 3, or make it 4. Can you see that? It's now very thick. It's thicker than others, right? So that's how you. Then you can also change it dash line. Can you see? You can make it dotted. You can also make it line. But this is what I use line. I don't use dotted. Okay. Yeah. So go back to 1 pixel. You can delete, and there are other properties, but these are the major ones you need. Okay. Yeah, these are the major ones you need. And if you want to delete it, just remove. Just delete, press delete, and it's off. Okay. Yeah. We also have price. The next one is price range, which is this. I want to measure from one horizontal to the other. From here. Now, this is another area that a lot of people get issue. Tap, drag, tap. You see? Now, this particular price range, that's the name. Okay. This price range, this is the properties. Can you see it? This is my quick tool. So I don't want it to be too cumbersome. I want you guys to understand. That's why I'm showing you this. And I'm showing you this. So let me remove this. Yep. Now, you see this guy. Let me now show you how to place it again. Delete. I will click on price range. You can see that you can see a cross dotted blue line on my screen. You see the way I'm moving it? I've not dropped the tool until, where do I want to drop it? I will keep moving it till I will know, okay, I want to drop it somewhere here. You see? When I now spot where I want to drop it, you now tap your screen. On your desktop is very, very easy. Tap your screen. You see? It has dropped. But now you have to drag. I'll now drag. You see? So how many percent do you want to drag it to? Can you see it? You can see, you can drag down, you can drag up, down, up, down, up. So anyone you want, very, very easy. So when you now go, okay, I want to drag to this next horizontal line. You now tap again. Tap. Pam. You see, I've dropped it. That's it. And this price range is still movable. It's not static. So I will just drag here. Can you see it? Can you see it? So this navigation is actually a big problem to a lot of new traders. But I want you guys to be able to understand this very well. If you take your time, you will. So if you understand it, let me know in the comment section so that I can do more. Okay, so you can see, you can drag it anywhere you want. You can see those 2 round circles. Well, what's the function? You can actually extend. You can extend it to the next one. You see? Yes, very easy. You can go all the way, all the way, all the way. Can you see it? Down. So when you go down, it shows minus. When you go up, it shows plus. Okay, that is how to use it. Very easy, and it's the same model that works for others as well, right? So remove, let's remove, then let's have our rectangle. You see, that's what I wanted to stay. Then drag, you see. So I use this if I want to make reference to a particular area. Yes, because when you are switching between time frames, it's always very difficult. Let's assume now we are on 4 hours time frame, 4h. Okay, now on 4h, I want to spot this area on the lower time frame. Yes, you see. So this is how I need to spot it. So the way if it shows like this, select, it shows that the tool is being highlighted. Okay, so here, looking at this guy here now. Okay, if I want to spot that area on the lower time frame, I will probably be looking for, how do I go about this and the likes. So what will help me is that I will use this rectangular shape to spot it. I'll now go to the lower time frame, let's say 15 minutes. 15 minutes. And look, you'll see that it's going to be very different on the lower time frame. Let's see. Yeah, let's look for it. Yeah, can you see? You see that on the lower time, see how it looks on the lower time frame. So it helped me to spot that area from the bigger time frame to the lower time. I will probably, because on the lower time frame, what it will show you on the lower time frame will be very different for what it's going to show you on the higher time frame. That's the reason. So I already spotted on the higher time frame. So I want to know what is going on the lower time frame. Okay, so I will now zoom. I'll now check. So now I can remove it, since I now know that, okay, this is where that arena, this is it on the lower time frame. So I will zoom and maybe I want to check the candles, the movement, what's going on here, and the likes. Okay, so that's exactly how to make it of. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. That's it. So that's for the tool. Then we have another wonderful tool, position, right? So if you want to take a trade, you've done your analysis. So this is buy, this is sell. Okay, let's see how it works. Select it. So here, let's assume I want to go long. For those who are trading futures, you see, you can drag that area there, drag it to where you want to take profit. Then where do you want your stop loss? Stop loss should be somewhere here. So look at it. Okay, I hope you can see it clearly. Yeah, so we have the green area, we also have the red area. So this is stop loss, and this is what? Take profit. Yes, so this line, this place, this green area is your take profit, and this red area is your stop loss. Okay, but all this region are profit region, all this region are loss region. So if you're on negative, if the candle reverse like this, it will be around the loss region. Okay, so that's how the long position works. So you're looking at the green is the profit area. So let's look at the other one. Then we have short position. Okay, let me remove that already. Hold on, let me remove this short. So let's assume that you predict that, okay, this coin is actually going down. So use the short position, then place it here. So let's say this is your stop loss. Okay, and this is your take profit. All the way down here is your take profit. So this line here is your entry. This is your stop loss. You can see that. And this is your, okay, let me just move this a bit. So as I said earlier, this is your entry, stop loss, take profits. Okay, so you can see that this time around the red region is what is red, is at the top, and the green region, which is your profit area, is facing down. This is facing up. Okay, so that's how you use the position tool. You have the green area and the red area. That is how it works. Very, very simple. So the next one is trend line. You know, when you're doing when you learn analysis, yes, trend line is very, very important. You want to capture from one region to another region. So this is it. Let's look at it. So here, I want to capture from here. Now drag all the way to this place. You see? So that's how to use your trend line. Can you see it? That's how to use your trend line. Yes. You can direct it anyhow you want. You can see. So my trend line is like this, but if yours might not be looking like this, so you can change the features. Okay. So I made my dotted. Yours also doesn't have to be dotted. You can see it. You can make it line. It's up to you. But because I already have lines on my screen, that's why I have to make that trend line dotted. Okay. So that's for me. Yours might be different. So you can make it more, the pixel to be more bigger. You see that? 3, but mine is 1 pixel. I want it very tiny and smart. And you can also change the color if you want. It's up to you. Okay. Yep. So actually, the reason why I did that is because I want you to know that my trend line is customized based on what I want. That's it. So here, that's for trend line. Then let me spot a particular trend. Yes. So here, we want to use this parallel channel. This guy here. This tool here. You see? Yes. So let's look at it. Let's remove this. So let's click on the parallel channel. So I've clicked on it. So I'll come here. I will grab it here. I will now drag. I will drag all the way. You see? Now after dragging, I will tap the screen. You see that it has shown red. I will now drag. You see that? You see? Yes. You can see this is how the tool looks like. This is how it works. So you can work for both end. This end or this end. It all depends on your analysis. So you can see the breakout around here. You can see the breakout. Yes. So that's exactly how this tool works. So parallel channel. So if you learn candle formation, you will learn horizontal channel, ascending and descending channel. So this is more or less like a descending channel. Ascending channel is when it's facing up. So let me show you. Let me show you. Let's remove this. Let's use another one. So you come to the lower region here. Now drag. See? Now move it anywhere you want. So this is an ascending channel. You can see it ascending. So from the first line that you drew will determine the direction. Very easy. You can practice this. It's very, very nice. You will really love using all these tools. So those are the tools I use. I will have gone on and on and on for you to see different tools. Then I'm also going to have a video on Fibonacci, so you know how to use the Fibonacci tool. So it all depends on what you want. Okay, all these preferences is based on what, so you can customize all these things based on what you want. It's very, very easy. Okay, so those are the tools, and you still have a lot of tools. You see, I can't go through everything, but on your own you can explore. You can explore all these things depending on how you want it. Okay, very, very simple and easy. But if you have more questions, just drop in the comment section. Let me know if we still need to have some specialized topics. Okay, so the next one will be, so we've done chart, navigation, and tools. Then the next one will now be using indicators. Let's click on this plus. So we have indicators. Okay. We have favorite, technical, finance, and likes. So here, when you have any indicator you want to use, just type the name of the indicator. Okay. And after typing the name of the indicator, you can make the indicator to join your favorite list. So that's why we have this favorite. Okay, this place. So that's it. So you can see these are, I have a lot of them on my list. So let's search, let's say volume indicator. Just type on volume. Now this video is not about indicators. The video is about just teaching you how to make use of it. Now every indicator has how it's being used. So you already see that this yellow star means I already have this indicator on my list. You can see it, this indicator here. I already have them on my list. That's why. Okay, so anyone you don't have on your list will not show the yellow star. It will just be gray like this. Okay, so that's just the way. So there are other indicators that we can use. So what I used to do is this: whenever I spot any indicator that I want to use, instantly when I spot that indicator, I'll just make it to join my favorite, so that I can go and check, so that subsequently I can use that indicator. And you can see the full list of, though I'm not an indicator trader, but there are some very interesting indicators that are very good. But the reason why I don't use it is because indicators are always lagging. So I use price action full price action. But if you find a moving average, RSI, if you find them very, very useful, definitely you can use it. Okay, so here, if you come to my favorite, you can see all the indicators that I have here. Yeah, you can see them, a lot of indicators that are here. So these are the ones I use, right? So when you place, let's place an indicator on our screen. Let's use exponential moving average. So I've clicked on it. Since I've clicked on it, it's already on my screen. Can you see it? Let me zoom for you well. Yeah, can you see that green line? Okay, so for me to change the settings, I need to zoom. See the way I'm zooming? Yes, you see the way I'm zooming this. Okay, so I'll just click on this. I'll click on it. So I've selected it, so you can see the settings. I'll just come to the settings here. So hold on, let me show you where. So when I selected the indicator, so this frame came out. Can you see it? So I can cancel the indicator. I can close the indicator. Close it. I can hide it, and I can also check the settings. So that's how it works. So settings. Now your indicators has, which length do you want? Let's say we want 200 moving average. 200. Yes. So it will change. Can you see it? It has already changed direction. You see where it is now. Can you see it? So that's exactly how indicator works. That's how indicator works. So let me select it, then I'll cancel it here. Okay, so you can use as many indicators as you want to use. Then another thing I quickly need to mention is your candles, how to control your candles. You can see that you can zoom candle like this. So when you sometimes you just see everything just be looking very something you don't even understand, right? So on the price area here, this price, you can use it to adjust the screen so that the candle can give you the shape that you want. You can also use the time here. to adjust the screen, okay? So it will give you the shape that you really want, but you have to be the one that will control it the way you want. So let's see, you can see the way it looks now. So on this edge, can you see that this price area here, I will just drag it up, up, up. It will keep coming up, up, okay? So if that's what I want, that's fine. Now, that's the, I have to increase the height of the candle. Then all of the body here, can you see it? This area here, can you see it? Just move it. Can make it bigger. Can you see? Can make it taller. You can see, look at the candle clearly. Now that is zoom. So I can place my 2 fingers on the screen, then it will be able to zoom. Can you see that? Yes, to be able to zoom. So that's it. That's how it works. So you have to be able to control your candles very, very well. Yeah, so that's for that. So the next one we have on our lists will be demo trading. Yes, that won't take us much time. So here for demo trading, we have, just come here. So we have connect to broker. See, connect broker. So click on it. Now here you can see paper trading. Paper trading. So that's what you need. But if you have most exchanges with cryptocurrency, you are not connected to any broker. So don't stress yourself. Just click on this paper trading here. That's all. Click on it. So connect. That's all. So immediately you do that, you will see this red and blue box here. So those are the, if you want to go short, click on the red. If you want to go long, click on the blue. So that's how it works. So now let's assume that, okay, I want to go long. I'll just click on this blue. Okay, so here, how many units I want to buy at market price? How many units of that coin do I want to buy? We want to buy 100. Well, before that, let me quickly show you something. So TradingView is going to give us 100,000 worth of. So by default, TradingView will give us 100,000 worth of virtual money. Okay, so click on the menu, come to paper trading, then here click on this arrow here, this arrow. Okay, click on the arrow, then reset paper trading. So click here. Can you see it? Balance $100,000. Okay, so click on reset. See, everything has changed. So you can come reset it anytime you like, anyhow you want. So it's up to you. So this amount you have to trade with, but it's paper trading, it's not real money. Okay, so cancel. So if you want to go long, you want to go short, so that's how you go about it. So here, just 100 units, take profit. So for you to go on your paper trading, make sure that you already have your position here. So you already know your stop loss. This is your stop loss here, and this is your take profit. This is your take profit here. Okay, so identify the price that you want to take profit. So this is our take profit. This is our stop loss. Okay, then our entry is current price. Now for you to go for your paper trading, so click on the blue button. So for market price, yeah, click on this list, tick or ticket. So you enter your take profit here, then also tick on your stop loss. You enter your stop loss here. Can you see that? Okay, so select it, then you enter the amount, stop loss, enter the amount, take profit. So when you get there, it will take profit for you. So the quantity you are buying will determine the amount of USDT that you are trading with. So that's how paper trading works. So when you are done with that, just select buy XRP. Okay, then to start trading for you. That's how paper trading works. Yes. So we're getting to the end of this video.